Next, I want to show how we can use the calculator to find probabilities from a binomial experiment without using the formula. And this is called the binomial PDF, which stands for the binomial probability distribution function. And that's under second vars, or second distribution, on your calculator. And we have to type in n, p, and x, where n is the number of trials, p is the probability of success, and x is exactly x successes. We also have the binomial cumulative distribution function, which is in the same place, and we enter in the same information except for this is at most x successes. Now, the next 7 questions are the same as questions 3 through 9. So it's the same scenario with the 3 patients and the 90% chance of success. So all of our information is the same. N is 3, P is 0.90, and Q is 0.10. Only now we are using the calculator with the binomial PDF or binomial CDF instead of the formula. But we should get the same answers. So exactly 1 patient means that x is equal to 1, and on the calculator we want to type binomial PDF 3, 0.90, 1. So I want to press second and then distribution, or the vars key, and I get to the distribution menu, and I want to scroll down to binomial PDF. So that puts the binomial PDF on the home screen, and I want to type 3, 0.90, 1. Now you may have the other version of the calculator where you have to type in the n, p, and x on a separate menu and then press calculate, but you should get the same thing of 0.027. So the final answer is 0.027. And again, this is what we got on question 3 when we used the formula.